Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Gorgon Guitar, and I'm so stoked we have still this wish week going on where you have wished for songs and I will bring them up for you every day during the week. And we have this time, you Giga Snaps, you wished for Usimamane and Sjava's song called Uvalo. So I hope you will enjoy this and all you fans out there. So make sure to subscribe to this channel. Where can you find a channel where you can wish for songs and have them like this whole week, every day, your songs? All right, so you come to the right place. Gorgon Guitar, make sure you subscribe here. And let's go into this song. And I believe Uvalo is from the Zulu language. And if it is, then it means fair. Okay, so that's what I believe that title is, fair. And let's go into this song. We're gonna use a capo. It's on the first fret. That's the best scenario for us. And we have 5 different chords to handle here. So let's start with the chords. We have A minor first, and that will be open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next chord is the GB chord. That will be second on A, open D, open G, third B, and open E. Then we have the C major 7. That goes third on A, second on D, open G, open B, open E. We have E minor. That will be open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, open E, and finally we have the D. And that goes open D, second G, third B, and second E. All right, so we have 2 different ways of playing this one. One is a more laid back, slower working strumming hand, and the next one is more action to it. So that action and everything I'm talking about comes quite a bit into the song. First, it's a lot of talking and there's just sound in the background. It's based upon this chord progression still, but it's not like something you play to. So about 1.5 minutes into the song, that's where the actual song starts. So just for you to understand that, I think you know it, Giga Snaps, but everybody else, that's the part we're gonna cover here on this tutorial. So anyway, this is a chord progression that goes A minor, G, B, C major, then E minor, D, C major. That is how it goes round and round. So we have different ways of handling this. We're gonna start with the lower action first. So we're gonna have a string pattern that is based upon down, down, clap, down. Okay? So we're gonna learn that first. If you grab the first chord, A minor, down, down, clap, down is what we're aiming for. So, okay? So down, down, clap, down. That is one string around. So we're gonna start this with just that, A minor. You're gonna play down, down, clap, down. Then you're gonna go to the GB chord and play down, down, clap, okay? So you're not playing the last down, just down, down, clap on the GB. And the last down you're gonna give to the C major 7 chord. And then you're gonna play another 2 full rounds on the C major. Down, down, clap, down, 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 clap, down. So that final down that belonged to the GB chord, you give that to the C major and play it there, and then you continue with 2 full rounds of the C major 7. So together it will be A minor 1 full round, GB almost 1 full round, and you fulfill the 1 first round there with the C major, and then you complete it with another 2 rounds on the C major 7 chord. That's the first half of it. I'm gonna take you through it first before we go into the second half. So it will be like this. Again, so A minor, 1 full round. Then GB, down, down, clap. And the final down you play on the C major. And then you play 2 more rounds. Why this? Because that's the timing, okay? That's the timing in this song. that it's important to have the chord switches. So that's the first half. Then you apply the exact same pattern, but just for different chords. So now you're going to start with E minor. You play that in the same way as A minor. So down, down, clap, down. Then you're going to play D. That replaces the GB chord. Play that in the exact same way, the down, down, clap. And then you finalize this one with the same chord, same ending of the C major 7, the extra down added to it, and then 2 full rounds. And that will be 1 chord progression round. That goes around from the beginning till the very end. I'm going to take you through 1 round slowly, and then 1 round in standard tempo. Perhaps it goes a little bit faster in standard tempo, not sure there. You get a little bit confused when you go down and back in tempo like this, but somewhere around that final chord progression round will be the standard tempo. So that is how you handle it with the low action of strumming. Now we're going to bump it up and add extra to it, all right? So imagine you play an up after every down we have in this chord progression here. Okay, so you're gonna bump it up with an extra down. So that means the first chord, the A minor, instead of being down, down, clap, down, you're gonna play down, up, clap, up, down, up. Okay, so that will now be the standard of the strumming round. So down, up, down, up, clap, up, down. That means you're gonna work faster as well, so you cannot go in the same tempo because the song is still what it is, so you have to work faster. So so we're gonna translate this now into this same chord progression. So you're gonna play down, up, clap, up, down, up on A minor. Then you're gonna switch to the GB and play down, up, clap, up. Okay. And then you go to the C major and play, you give that final down to the C major, which means down, up. And then you continue with 2 more rounds of how you played for A minor, down, up, clap, up, down, up. That's the first half, and then you go and play the exact same with the new chords E minor, D, and C major. All right? So slowly, 1 round goes like this. All right, in the standard tempo. Again. Alright guys, so there you have it. Play either way, or you can go back and forth with it. Sounds cool. In any way, that is how I handle Usimamane Sjava, Uvalo. Jigga snaps, hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, where do you find a channel where you can wish for songs to learn on guitar, your own songs? This is the place to go to. Recording guitar, so spread the word, and hope to see you soon guys. Till next time, play tuned.